Mash the brakes again. New tail lights. Let off. Mash them one more time. Okay, we got some new tail lights for old Blue here. Done, let's see. AFT parts, read before installing. Whoops, done got one in. My bad. But anyway, from aftparts.com.
Actually, I did read it before we installed it. While you were installing it.
Jaymison read it, so he's good on this one. He knows what to do. He ordered these a while back. We're just now putting them in. Got that one mounted in right there. We're trying to get the bulbs coming apart on this one, so it's going to be a little tricky, but we'll get it out, get this one in, see what they look like. Got that one out. See the socket in there, and the way these new ones work, they just have a socket wired into them. You plug the socket in, screw the tail light in, and then you have these aftermarket tail lights put in. Okay, we got it plugged in. We're gonna mash it before we stick it in. Mashing it. Right, there it is, let off. Good deal. Now let's bolt it in, go from there. I'm gonna mash the brake. Jameson's gonna check them out. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, those really good.
They look good?
Yeah, they look good.
All right, you come up here and mash the brake. All right, you're gonna mash the brake. Let me get back here. Hold on before you mash it. Let me get them focused in. All right, go ahead. Oh yeah, let off. Mash it. Let off. Mash it. Let off. Pull the headlights on. I ain't sure we got two more to pull the headlights on. We got to work on the headlight thing on this side, looks like. Looks like all of it's burning there. We'll check him out and go from there. Mash the brakes one more time. Brake lights work good, but must be something wrong with the tail light socket on this side. We'll check it out.